Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. A heartbreaking week for elephants, as yet another self-righteous, sociopathic, big-game, despicable hunter, this time from Germany, waddled his skinny arse into Zimbabwe's Gonorezu National Park to murder a national living treasure, a 40-year-old enormous bull elephant with its 125-pound tusks each. It's gut-wrenching to see and report this. It's just so bloody wrong. What, Mr. Loser Hunter couldn't afford a good camera and the wherewithal to buy billboards around the globe and show a most excellent picture of a national living monument? No. Instead, the fatuous, pathetic excuse is he paid $60,000 to kill a living, magnificent animal. What the frack? Let me remind you, we're in the midst of the 6th Great Extinction. 33,000 elephants are poached each year. Elephants are doomed, as are rhinos, as are lions, as are the great apes, as are tigers, cheetahs, bluefin tunas, leatherback turtles, and on it goes. Again, I ask a question. What does the G20 meeting in Antalya, Turkey next month discuss? Nature? Our life support systems? I think not. Here's the facts, ladies and gentlemen. We need nature. Nature doesn't need us. Humans are systematically killing our life support system faster and faster. It's gotta end, or our race will end before mid-century. Sir David Attenborough said killing big game lions and elephants and any other creatures, including my friends the whales and dolphins, is a terrible indicator of the human psyche. Psychiatrists will tell you that to be able to give death gives a human a sense of power, and to seek after power is sadly the primary urge of humanity. This I will tell you, I love nature. My mission in this lifetime is to save nature now and protect our planet from plastics and poachers. As far as I'm concerned, big game hunters are nothing more nor less than loathsome fracking poachers. Not on my watch are they gonna kill my friends, the wild animals. Hashtag love is the solution. If my mission resonates with you, please come to drreese.com. That's DRREESE.com. Take my pledge and make a donation to end the massacre of Earth's remaining majestic wild animals. I need your help, and the wild animals need your help. Together, let's save nature now. Yeah, baby. Earthcast SOS is brought to you by the okraproject.org. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.